Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Chadimir Putni token. Now this token has been doing very well for a few days here on the charts, and they've been trending in the top 10 on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Aave, all these different listing sites. They are trending number 3 right now on DEX Tools. It says Hot 3, and I believe they're trending on DEX Screener as well, or they were anyways yesterday in the top 10. We're going to go over the Chadimir Putni token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Chadimir Putni token. No relation to the actual guy, just so you know. This is just a meme token, and there's been a ton of these meme tokens come out that are named after like high presidential figures. And so there's Obama, which is, you know, I mean, I don't have to tell you what it is. There's another one named Trump. And so, I mean, there's tons of them. I saw one today after Michael Jackson, but I can't remember the name of that one. Something to do with Michael Jackson. But there's just so many of these. Bowden, that's another one. I just uploaded a video a few days ago on that one, the Geo Bowden token. And so, yeah, I think today I'm going to upload a couple of these. So we're going to do, this is basically going to be Solana Memecoin weekend on this channel here, because these tokens are going crazy. And, you know, they're all trending in the top 10 on different sites. And I uploaded a few yesterday and this morning, so check those out. But, yeah, we're definitely going to talk about a lot of Solana meme coins this weekend because of how well they're all doing. This one's up. This one's right now is, I mean, it's been trending and it's only up 7% in the past hour. But, like, this is one of those tokens that you saw that was up, like, 259,000% and stuff like that. So anyways, this token is on the Solana blockchain. If you're looking to get the Putni token, basically all you'd have to do is simply download a wallet. If you don't have a wallet for Sol, you can get a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, etc. Any wallet that holds Sol. So get a wallet, fund it with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Chadimir Putni token using the contract address that you can find from their webpage, chadputni.com. And over there they have a how to buy section too, if you're not sure exactly how I explained it. If you go to their webpage, Chadimir Putni, or chadputni.com, you'll find the contract address and how to buy. And if you look in the corner of the screen right there, at Putni SOL, that is their Twitter right there. They have a link to their Telegram on that Twitter. They have the contract address right there. And they have their webpage all right there. So basically everything you need is going to be there. And besides the chart, you can find this token listed on DEX Screener or DEX Tools and have a look at the chart there. So, I mean, keep in mind this is all just jokes, okay? Nothing is real here. And this isn't even a real person. This is Chadimir Putni, okay? And it says Putni is a good guy. Has a link to their Telegram. Now their Telegram has 904 subscribers on there, and the contract address is on there as well if you're looking for it. At Putni Portal. And then it says they just joined in March 2024, so you can see this is a very brand new project here. 1,341 followers, 96 tweets. So they're very active. And then if you look at their pinned tweet, it's like an official links link tree basically in their pinned tweet. Has their webpage, Telegram, they have a TikTok channel, Instagram, DEX screener chart and contract address are all in the pinned tweet there on that Twitter there. So real easy to find everything. And yeah, so this token also could be available on Raydium, Jupiter, and Orca. So all three decentralized exchanges for Solana. There's more, but those are the main ones anyways. You can also find all those links on their webpage, chadputni.com. So there's a link to buy Putni right on their webpage that'll take you right to Raydium as well. So it says, Chadimir Putni is the leader of Russia. His mission is to rag-pull Ukraine to reform the Soviet Union. The Soviet Union. We love the Soviet Union. On Putni's best friend is Dolan Trump, which is another token. We're going to be doing a video today on Dolan Trump. That token, Dolan Trump, just got a huge central exchange listing as well. So we're definitely going to go over that. And then his enemy, Geo Bowden. Geo Bowden also just got listed on L-Bank and a bunch of other exchanges. So check out my video on Geo Bowden. We're here to bring together all the Russia and support and another through the heights and the lows. Putni is good guy. We leak Putni. And then it shows you how to buy this token with a downloading it even from the App Store, all that type of stuff. So anyways, yeah, you can go over all the how to buy on their webpage. And then there's a disclaimer at the bottom of their webpage saying Putni has no association with the actual guy. This token is simply just a coin with no intrinsic value or expectation of financial return. Which brings us to DEX Tools. Now, DEX Tools is cool because they have a quick audit that you could review. It'll tell you if there's any warnings. Looks like there's no warnings on this token. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Now, keep in mind that's just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. And always do your due diligence. Now, market cap for this project, $6.91 million, $205,000 in liquidity in Raydium. Circulating supply is a little bit over 99.99 million tokens. They have 6,780 holders. 24-hour trading volume right now is $19.67 million. So go check this token out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Putni? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.